Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This review for BoxyCharm is actually gonna be a little bit different because we're gonna be doing like a look, including with the palette that I got here on my BoxyCharm. I love it, and you guys are not gonna believe what's gonna happen. I'm gonna do this different look that I've been seeing on Instagram. So if you wanna see what type of look I'm gonna create, please keep watching. So I had a plan of just reviewing Ipsy and BoxyCharm together, and I was supposed to get Ipsy today. It never came, so that ruined my plan. So usually Ipsy always comes first, but this time it was BoxyCharm that came first, and I was like, girl, what? And I was like, okay, well, but as well just do a review. Maybe I'll do it next week. As you guys know, I only get one day off a week, so that's why I always record on Thursdays. I try to record as many times as I can because, I'm a busy girl. So anyway, so see the background. Look, I love the background. I love fall. So you guys can see my decoration. It's all about fall. I love fall. So love it. I wish it was fall all year long with the whole weather, pumpkin spice latte, just the whole thing. So anyway, so yeah, that was my plan. I wanted to do BoxyCharm and Ipsy together, because I seen that people been getting bored of my reviews, so I was like thinking might as well just do them together, because just both for it. So I was like, oh, okay, well, whatever, bitches. Anyway, so yay, BoxyCharm. You guys have no idea how fun this box is. I opened it, I was like, holy shit. And I was like, oh girl, I gotta do a look with this palette. It's so beautiful, oh my god. But anyway, so if this is your first time you've seen me, first time you ever heard of me, please don't forget to subscribe and turn notification bell to get more updates of when and why and how I post a new video. Follow me on social media. We have Instagram, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. I need to start posting on TikTok. I'm very lazy, so you guys can see. So yeah, and also my giveaway is gonna be next. So if you haven't entered, go ahead and enter, because the products are so fun, man. I was like, wow, that giveaway is worth $300, I bet you, because one item by itself is only like $136. So anyway, so yeah, so let's open up September BoxyCharm so you guys can see. We have everything right here, and also I love this so much that I was like, holy shit, I'm not putting anything on my next giveaway. This whole box right here, I'm not usually I always keep 3 items, and the other 2 items I always put in a giveaway, and this time it's not gonna happen. Like, it's crazy good. Like, that's how much good it is. So let's go to the postcard. As you guys know, this month it was called Glam Vibes Only. I got variation number 50. Very exciting because I love the theme. I actually do love the theme. So we have Kate Somerville, Alamar Cosmetics palette. How pretty it is. Look at the packaging. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys. Look at the color. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna create a look with this palette right now, and I'm gonna be shook. But look at those colors, they're beautiful. Oh my god. And then we have some Laura Geller Volumizing Mascara. We have a beauty blender from $1 Billion Brows. At first, never ever try this product, and it's the Huda Beauty Made in Metal Melted Shadows. So pretty much I got like 2 eyeshadows right here, pretty much. I tried this one and this one together. We'll see how they work. So each product has a price, so you guys know. And also BoxyCharm is only like $25 a month. So worth it, because all the products here are like freaking expensive. But I know they get it, they sell them for discount. I mean, come on, we're not stupid. So anyways, so we have the Kate Somerville, which is only $85. It's exfoliating cream, so you can like, I was like in between this one and the Pharmacy's lip scrub, something like that, or like a night cream, and I was like, let's try the exfoliating, whatever. It's only $85, so I believe this is the most expensive product here. Then we have the Alamar Cosmetic Spanglish. Now this palette, I think this is the second palette I have had from Alamar Cosmetics. And this palette is only $28. Like, holy crap, this is really good. And then we have here the Huda Beauty Made in Metal eyeshadow stick. Now this product is only $25. And then we have here the Laura Geller. I think this was like the one that they were sending out to the PR, I believe. So we're gonna check how good is this product. But this product is only $24. And the Billion Dollar Brows we have here is like a beauty blender, something like that, a beauty sponge. And this is only $15. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so like I mentioned, I'm gonna create like look, but let's see this product. So this is only $85. I think I tried Kate Somerville before. I don't think I have tried her products before, but let's see. So this is exfoliating cream. It's retail for $85. That is crazy. I've been thinking of doing like a video for this product, but you guys know how lazy I am. So this is a exfoliating cream. So let's see the texture. So it has like a green texture. It looks like diarrhea. So like it looks like green salsa. Okay, it looks like tomatillo sauce. So it smells good. It smells like so it smells really good. It has really good texture. It feels rough, but it's an exfoliating cream, so it's, what, it smells minty. Did I get it on my nose? I felt it going on my nose. So it smells minty. It smells good. It smells like it will actually clean my skin and exfoliate it. So I might try it later. I might give it like a little review of this product and see my teeth and give you guys an update. I sometimes don't want to do so many reviews because you guys know some of you guys already bore my content. I can tell by the views, you guys. I mean, come on. You guys need to support a small YouTuber. So I'm not gonna give this the giveaway. I'm actually gonna keep it. Like, it's crazy. Nothing from here I'm gonna add to the giveaway. So, and then let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Only one. Okay. So okay. Alright. I just thought they robbed me. So let's check out this Huda Beauty. What's it called? Huda Beauty Made in Metal. So let's check it out. Let's open it. That's a really awkward way to open up like tape a bundle. This is weird. Anyways, so let's check it out. This is a made in shimmer. Pretty interesting. Like, let's see the colors. Ooh, that's the made. It kind of look like lipstick. Like, it's so weird. Like, I never tried anything from Huda Beauty. Like, this is the first time. And then let's do the right here. That's the shimmer. So look at that, shimmer and matte. Actually, that's a really pretty color. So I wouldn't know how to do a look with this, cause in my mind it's kind of like a lipstick, like, but then it's a shadow. The colors are nice, so just doing a look with this, I might. So we're just gonna give it a try. It's $28. Very good colors. Still smells minty. And to have, I can't process it on my head. It's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. Okay, it's an eyeshadow. Next thing is actually the Billion Dollar Brows. I like to smell things. So anyway, so this is a beauty sponge. It's very soft, very squishy. And this product retails for $15. So to see how this product will work on me, we're gonna have to find out. I forgot that I got a beauty blender. I should have done my makeup with it, but I didn't. I used something else. So I was like, Okay, so we'll leave it for another day. We'll just try it out in another day and see how. Oh, I just chopped it. Ah, my finger. Just chopped it in there. Next thing here, what we have here is the Laura Geller Volumizing mascara. So this is the mascara that they're sending out as a PR, and you're like guessing what it is. To me, my dumbass, I thought it was gonna be the Too Faced mascara, but actually it's not. It looks similar. It actually looked very similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but I guess not. So I'm not gonna apply it right now. I'm actually gonna do a look mascara. So the packaging of the mascara looks very detailed, like it tells you. I think it's something new from the brand because it tells you how it works and everything. It's very interesting. I'll be trying it out because I'm gonna do the look. And last but not least, we have the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and it's called Spanglish. Let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging. Like, look at that. It's really nice. I do have another palette from Alamar. It's kind of like a tropical palette, but it comes with really nice colors. So I like it that they keep it as you know, like their packaging, like kind of like a book, tells you everything. And then it does come with a big mirror. You guys can see right here, mirror, and the colors. Like, look at the colors. Like, look, oh my god, look. So I've been wanting like a pastel palette, and this is kind of like a pastel palette, so it gives you a lot of shimmers and a lot of mattes. So I'm gonna work on with these colors right here. They're really nice, and we're just gonna do like some swatches. And also they do come with names. All the colors here come with the names. We have here, pero like, eres un show, tienes swing, wow, ay que cute, ha ha ha, muy excited, ponte hyper. So those are all the colors that comes right here. Colors and the name. The names are so cute. Like, no, seriously, they're cute. So we have here pero like. We have here eres un show. There you go. We have here tienes swing. And then here we have wow. It's kind of like a purple and purplish blue color. And then here we have a mate. So this is a mate, and it's called I Cute. I like that color, kind of like a peachy color. And then here we have ha ha ha, which is kind of like a brown. And then we have another mate. This one's called muy excited. I like that one. And then we have another mate, and it's called ponte hyper. Those are all the colors in the palette. Those are really nice. Like, I'm seriously like so hyped up to try these colors on me. Very, very cute. And they look like they're very pigmented, like very pigmented colors. So gonna do a look right now. So I wanna create like a kind of like a pastel look with this. So let's do it. So I got my brushes right here, and already I was looking at the palette, and I was like, okay, what type of look I'm gonna do. So I think I'm gonna already know which ones. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow base, and this is gonna use the Thank Me Later eyeshadow base. Now we're gonna use my Morphe. Yes. I still have it like this. I still have it in the packaging. I've been planning on taking pictures of these things, but you guys know I don't freaking have time. So we're gonna apply with this one. No, fluffy. No. This one. Yes, I know. I still have it on the packaging. Yes, I know. I don't like. I'm not even like, what am I doing? Actually, no, I'm gonna use this one better. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use I Get Cute all over the lids. So, oh my god, like, I love the colors. Like, it's pinkish, like rose gold. I love it. So now we're gonna be using Ponte Hyper. Okay, so I added Ponte Hyper around here that I used with my concealer. So now the hard part is coming on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make like a little swirl, kind of like a cake swirl, and we're gonna see how it's gonna do. So what I was thinking of using Wow for the color, but I'm also gonna dip the brush on water. So let's see how it works. Oh, there's something I've been seeing, but you know what, we gotta learn. And because I have like kind of like monolids, like small eyes, I'm gonna be doing it like on top of it. Gonna try my best, but first I'm gonna try it on my palms. Let me see how it works. As you guys know, I'm very blind, so that's why I have my mirror all the way in my face. This is gonna take forever. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take forever. So pretty much I ended up using the Huda Beauty Made in Metallic for right here. Now we're gonna be using the Laura Geller for the lashes. You know what, the mascara is not that bad. So to finish up the look, we're gonna be using the Cap Cosmetics lipstick. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this look that I made with this amazing, beautiful palette. The Spanglish from Alamar Cosmetics. Catch this also like an edited version on my Instagram, because you guys know I'm always posting on Instagram. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. I know I need more practice. My eyes get so watery, I'm not even kidding. It sucks. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Follow me on social media. Let me know about this look on Instagram too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.